Hello, I'd like to show you how easy it is to do citations directly in Google Docs. So first you go to Tools and then you click on Citations. And then you just make sure you have MLA 8 selected. And then to add a source, you click Add Citation. First, I'm going to add a book. So you can filter by source type. So I'm going to add a book. It's going to be a print book. Now, when you're using a book, there's a 10-digit ISBN code. So you can get it from the back of the book, and you can type it in here and then search for it. Sometimes you might have more than one option, but you could just double check that you have the correct book. You click continue. If there's any missing information, you can add it in here. You can check the inside cover of the book and click add source citation. Now I'm going to add a New York Times article. So I'm going to copy and paste the URL. I'm going to go here. I'm going to add a source. I'm going to add a website. Paste the URL, search, continue. It'll give me all of the information there. And I can add, if anything's missing, it'll be red and you can add it there. Now I'm going to add a YouTube video. So add a source, website. So it says contributor is missing. So I'm going to go continue and I can add it here. So I'm going to look who my contributor is. So this was put on here by CBS Mornings. So I can add that in here. All right. And then once I've got that, I can hit add citation. Okay. So now I have all my sources here and I can go insert works cited and it properly adds my 3 sources, puts them in alphabetical order with the proper indentation. Now, the other thing that this can do is add an in-text citation. So here I've got something that I've paraphrased from the interview, and I want to add an in-text citation here. So this is from the CBS Mornings interview, and I click Cite. It adds the in-text citation, and then I add my period after the parentheses. So this one here is from page 90 of the book. So I'm going to put my cursor there, I'll put cite, and it has a number here for the page number of the book. So it's from page 90, and I will add the period after that parentheses. And then this one here is from the New York Times article. So I'm going to go here, click cite, and then I have my in-text citation for the works cited article. And then if I need to go back and add more sources, I can continue adding. So you can create your works cited, you can add your in-text citations. It is very easy.